Ginger Ray, are you eating out of your paw print puzzle? And looking out the back door at the same time. Pretty cool. It's like dinner with a view, right, bud? What about you? You're having your dinner in your paw print puzzle. I saw you glance at that door. You're like, yeah, I got dinner with a view too. But I'm more worried about my food. And how you doing? Yeah. He's almost done. He's almost done already. Look at that technique.
Watch him use his nose.
It's some nose work. It's some of the tongue, and then it's a little bit of chewing, all combined.
He doesn't get all the kibble though.
No. And
He saves it.
whoa, you're ahead of your brother by far. This one actually is about done. All right. That's about it, folks. That concludes Basenji dinner time. Thanks for watching. Please leave us a like, maybe a comment, and we'd love it if you'd subscribe.